Hi guys, first video for MX5 Digital. Happens to be Carbon Miata fender flare kit. I'm here with Zac Nesbitt. I'm Travis Devine. This is our very first video, so kind of bear with us. Making sure not to go too deep in that top layer because you never know what's going to come underneath. What we have underneath is a nicely bubble wrapped and crated hot dog. Alright, so what we're looking at here is a very nicely packaged. Yeah, really nicely packaged. So you kind of hope when you get something sent from China, as many of us have, that it doesn't come in one of those mangled boxes that you're all too regular to see. Thank you, Carbon Miata, for packaging this very, very well. These are not cheap. This is not chintzy. Yeah. Do you think we'll pull the whole structure out at once? You're really well wrapped, to the point of almost making you angry it's so well wrapped. But how can you be angry at them guarding something so beautiful? So the car this is destined for is a 99 we picked up. No motor, no trans, and a little bit rough. Zac has been working on it for the last month or so. Get everything sorted back out, get all the body work done, so we're prepped for paint. Awesome. And more bubble wrap. Beautiful. Keep in mind, a couple scuffs aren't going to hurt us. It's no gouges, no nothing like that. Just a scuff. And they're still beautiful. Wonderful quality. All the lines. Yeah, everything. There's no flopsiness to this. It is a real solid, nice piece. Last piece. They got lots of tape down in this corner. Man, even with a real sharp knife, you're gonna have fun getting through this, kids. Alright, we're back for the final pull out. Looking like we got some flares, baby! Alright, now we have the flares depackaged finally. You're looking at the first of the rear. Nice arch, nice clean everything. Nice and, yeah, it's sturdy. Alright. I'll pull this one off. Just set it right here for pull off later. Let's look at these two. Here's the front. Once again, nice and firm. All of the lines real nice and clean. Nothing crazy. And I think we are good to go. We'll be back with another set of videos showing exactly all the clean lines and everything like that. After that, we'll show an install. Yes, sir.